There's a new phenomenon happening in the Phoenix housing market today. Brand new homes are being built. Communities across the valley are popping up, but these homes aren't for sale. These homes are being put up for rent. We're gonna dive deeper into this topic right now. Hi guys, my name is Mark Melendez. I'm a real estate professional here in Phoenix, covering the entire valley. And the topic that I'm talking to you about today are built to rent properties. This is something that's been going on for the past couple of years, starting to gain a lot of traction as more people find purchasing homes less affordable today, and they're looking for other options. There's a few articles that I want to share with you today, so let's jump right into it. All right. Here's an article by ROI Properties. Now, this article was created in February of 2022, so this is a little bit outdated, if you will, but it still serves a purpose. So let's just go ahead and take a closer look at this article. So the topic right here says a closer look at the build to rent boom in Phoenix. So what I want to point out to you is, what are build to rent homes or build for rent communities? Well, what they're stating is that a build to rent community, also known as a BTR or BFR, build for rent, is a unique segment of the single family rental market. Entire communities of detached single family or attached townhouse style dwellings that are specifically built to be rented rather than purchased. Now, they go on to say that Phoenix leads the country with more than 6,400 BTR homes in the metro area. So 6,400 homes as of this article from last year. So that number is sure to have increased. And the reason why people are going this route is because they're getting tired of the traditional apartment style renting, and they're looking for communities that have a little bit more elbow room, a little bit more space for their family or maybe their pets even, or just a little bit more privacy where they don't have attached wall with a neighbor that they have to share. So let's just jump into another article that supports this topic. All right, this article is from AZ Big Media, and the title says, here's how the build to rent boom is reshaping Phoenix. So right in the first line, it says Phoenix is ground zero for a new multifamily housing product gaining popularity across the nation. And they go on to point out an existing company that has 23 communities either completed or under construction. And the name of that company is Next Metro. So the company Next Metro is a big player in this space. So let's take a look at some of their communities. So here's their page, nextmetro.com. And right off the bat, it says a truly unique leased home experience. Say goodbye to the typical rental experience. No big box living here, just convenient, carefree, luxury living without the hassle and burden of a mortgage. Next Metro brings innovative lifestyle choices to those seeking the best of both worlds. A luxury single family home with maintenance-free living, no mortgage, no maintenance, no shared walls, finally convenient, carefree living, and a leased home consumers can call their own. This is Avila, luxury leased homes redefined. All right, that sounds kind of nice. Let's just go ahead and take a look at one of their communities out in the East Valley, and let's take a look at one of their communities out in the West Valley, and we'll go ahead and compare them. Let's go. All right, so it says check out our community, so we're gonna go ahead and click on that. And then it gives us a list of communities that they have available right now. Let's take a look at this one right here, Avila Enclave, which is out in Mesa. So here's a link to their website. We'll pop that one open. And we'll click on floor plans, and as that's pulling up, it's going to show us that they have 1 bedroom options, 2 bedroom options, and 3 bedroom options. Now, the 1 bedrooms are starting at $1,599 per month. The 2 bedroom options are starting at $2,180 per month, and the 3 bedroom options are starting at $2,349 a month. Let's take a look at their counterpart in the West Valley. Let's see what that's looking like as far as pricing is concerned. All right, so let's go ahead and pick the one out in Goodyear, which is this one right here, Avila Centera Crossings. Click on their website, click on floor plans. So this one here has the 1 bedroom option starting at $1,657 per month. The 2-bedroom is starting at $1,721 per month, and the 3-bedroom is starting at $1,920 a month. Now, there could be a few different reasons for the pricing difference from the West Valley to the East Valley. Some folks believe that the East Valley is a little bit more desirable, so the pricing of homes are a little bit higher out there. I don't really read a whole lot into that. To me, it's just about the community and some of the amenities that are around. But one of the other reasons I believe for the pricing discrepancy there is the style of home. So let's dive into the photos here. So this is still the Goodyear homes here, and you can see in the gallery here, they've got a few photos. And they got private backyards, so you can have your own piece when you're out in your backyard, a little bit bigger. There's a little dog house out there, so that'll tell you right there that they do accept pets. But just take a look at the style inside. So they're brand new homes, they're contemporary style. They're really nice looking homes, so I believe that they're super beautiful. But when we look at the exterior, if you're looking at the home out here and the difference, it kind of looks a little bit squared off, more of a contemporary style of home, not the traditional clay roof tile home that you typically see here in Arizona. So that's just a completely different style of home that you typically see. Now let's go to the Mesa community and let's look at what that style of home looks like. Click on photos here. So here's the gallery, and they're starting you off in the backyard. So they want you to know that you have your own personal backyard with these homes. And again, a dog house is pictured here, meaning that you can bring your pets with you. Now I'm sure they may have restrictions, so you're gonna wanna check into all of that good stuff if you're planning on renting one of these units. But look at the exterior of this home. You can already see that this has your typical Arizona clay tile roof. So the architecture is completely different. Now again, they're new homes, they're contemporary style, so they're super beautiful, but you're paying more of a premium to live in the East Valley. And if you have the budget for it, then go for it. All right, guys, so if you're looking for a different type of rental experience, then maybe consider renting one of these homes in these communities. All of the homes in the communities are rentals, so you don't have the mix of homeowners with renters or anything like that. Not that it matters, but that's just something that's going to give you a little bit of a unique experience. So here's my 2 cents on renting. I believe in ownership. I believe in home ownership. It's a foundation, it's a pillar in my beliefs, but there are times where we need to rent properties. So if you do need to rent a property, I would suggest renting no longer than 2 to 3 years. And during that 2 to 3 year period, you're getting yourself ready for your home ownership journey down the line. Now, looking at the 3-bedroom in Mesa, at $2,300, that is close to a mortgage payment. So I'm sure you can find a 3-bedroom home in Mesa and find a mortgage payment somewhere right around that $2,300 mark. So there's really no trade-off. The only real trade-off that you're going to see is that there's going to be pretty much no maintenance with these properties. So if there's some kind of issue, you've got the landlord that you can rely on to come and take care of that problem. Well, all right, guys. Well, that's the information there. If you found the information useful, then go ahead and hit that like button for me. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. I'm putting out content on neighborhoods every week. Make sure that you stay tuned so you can stay on top of the market here in Phoenix, guys. I truly appreciate your time as always, and I hope you all have an amazing day.